In the context of the message in the passage indicated, down to earth most likely means the University of Texas economist mixed with energy, clarity, and down to earth examples as he held forth on the principles of economics at the year's Supply, Demand, and Deadlines conference. According to the passage, so the examples contain wit, energy, clarity, all of which are to be logical, sensible, and rational with practical sense. So, the end before down to earth. The end before the down to earth can give us a prediction that down to earth reflects sensible, rational, and practical issues. Scant and exiguous as choice A and E mean insufficient, and the examples with clarity should be ample in quantity to make it rational. So choice A and choice E are to be eliminated. Then pragmatic as choice B means sensible and realistic. Profuse and prolific, given as choice C and D respectively, mean a condition of plentiful state. In the light of the passage, the examples with clarity and wit, it should be the first sensible, realistic, in an enough and certain amount rather than being huge in number. Moreover, nothing is discussed about the number of examples here, and the prolific examples may be realistic or non-realistic, so choice C and D are also to be eliminated. And choice B is the correct answer to make sense with respect to the passage. So the correct answer is choice B.